Hello, welcome to nice algebra and Harvard University problem. Can you solve this type of problem? If you solve, tell me what is the value of x. Here question telling that bracket open root under 3x power 6 is equal to 64. We want to find the value of x. If you come in my channel first time, please subscribe my channel. Let's start solution. First of all, bracket open root under 3x whole power 6 is equal to 64. We know that root under a that will be written as a power half. So that here 3x whole power half into 6 is equal to 64. This or this cancel 3 times. Therefore, 3x whole power 3 is equal to 64. See here, 3x whole power 3 is equal to 64 will be written as 4 power 3. Here separating 3 power 3 into x power 3 is equal to 4 power 3. Both side divided by 3 power 3. Therefore 3 power 3 into x power 3 divided by 3 power 3 is equal to 4 power 3 divided by 3 power 3. This or this cancel. Left it here. X power 3 is equal to 4 power 3 3 power 3. So that here x power 3 is equal to 4 divided by 3 whole power 3. See here, x power 3 is equal to 4 divided by 3 whole power 3. This come this side. X power 3 minus 4 divided by 3 whole power 3 is equal to 0. See here, this is in the form of AQ minus BQ form. We know that formula is that A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. This formula apply here. A is equal to X, B is equal to 4 divided by 3. Therefore, bracket open X minus 4 divided by 3 into here X square plus X into 4 divided by 3 plus 4 divided by 3 whole square bracket close is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 4 divided by 3 into x square plus 4x divided by 3 plus 4 square 16, 3 square 9 bracket close is equal to 0. Here x minus 4 divided by 3 is equal to 0. Another x square plus 4 divided by 3x plus 16 divided by 9 is equal to 0. So that here two equation arise. First equation x minus x is equal to 4 divided by 3. This is the first x1 value. Second, x square plus 4x divided by 3 plus 16 divided by 9 is equal to 0. Therefore here 9x square plus 12x plus 16 divided by 9 is equal to 0. Both side multiply with side multiply by 9. Therefore 9 into 9x square plus 12x plus 16 divided by 9 is equal to 0 into 9. This or this cancel. Here 9x square plus 12x plus 16 is equal to 0. This is quadratic equation form. So that here A is equal to 9, B is equal to 12, C is equal to 16. So that here quadratic equation formula is that x is equal to minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Here x is equal to minus 12 plus minus root under 12 square minus 4 into 9 into 16 divided by 2 into 9. Here x is equal to minus 12 plus minus root under 12 square minus here minus 12 into 9 into 16 divided by 9 to the 18. Therefore x is equal to minus 12 plus minus root under take common 12, left it here 12 minus 48 bracket close divided by 18. Here x is equal to minus 12 plus minus root 100, 12 into minus 36 divided by 18. Here x is equal to minus 12 plus minus root 100, 12 into root 100, 36 into root 100 minus 1 divided by 18. Therefore, x is equal to minus 12 plus minus 2 into root 3 into root 36 value 6, root 100 minus 1 value I divided by 18. Here x is equal to minus 12 plus minus 12 into root 3I divided by 18. Here x is equal to minus 12 divided by 18 plus minus 12 into root 3I divided by 18. Here this cancel, this cancel. Therefore, x is equal to minus 2 divided by 3 plus minus 2 divided by 3 into root 3I. Here x one value 4 divided by 3, second minus 2 divided by 3 plus 2 into root 3I divided by 3, second, third minus 2 divided by 3 minus 2 divided by 3 into root 3I. This is the x1, x2, x3 value. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Once you review how to solve this problem. Take care. Bye bye. Here x1 value 4 divided by 3, second minus 2 divided by 3 plus 2 into root 3I divided by 3, second, third minus 2 divided by 3 minus 2 divided by 3 into root 3I. This is the x1, x2, x3 value. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Once you review how to solve this problem. Take care. Bye bye. Here x1 value 4 divided by 3, second minus 2 divided by 3 plus 2 into root 3I divided by 3, second, third minus 2 divided by 3 minus 2 divided by 3 into root 3I. This is the x1, x2, x3 value. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Once you review how to solve this problem. Take care. Bye bye. Here x1 value 4 divided by 3, second minus 2 divided by 3 plus 2 into root 3I divided by 3, second, third minus 2 divided by 3 minus 2 divided by 3 into root 3I. This is the x1, x2, x3 value. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Once you review how to solve this problem. Take care. Bye bye.